This EMITEVER 24V power supply delivers steady direct current output that keeps compatible LED strip lights and low-voltage devices running reliably without flicker. Each 60-watt adapter in the 2-pack has enough capacity for typical accent lighting runs while still leaving a comfortable safety margin for long-term use. The unit accepts a wide input range from household alternating current and converts it to a constant 24-volt direct current, making it practical for installations in different regions or varying mains conditions. Because it plugs directly into a standard wall outlet and uses a common 5.5 by 2.1 mm direct current connector, setup is straightforward even for people without electrical experience. The compact, relatively lightweight housing fits easily behind furniture or under cabinets, which helps keep LED lighting projects tidy and unobtrusive. Its independent safety certification for dry locations provides added peace of mind when powering LED strips, light bars, or small security cameras in a home or office environment.